All right, guys, making a quick and easy stir fry today with a little bit of ramen right on the SKS using the wok burner. Too much fun. I'm on the SKS. Check this guy out. I flipped the burner up. I'm using the wok burner, boiling some water. I got some ramen and some chicken going today. This is going to be an awesome one. Water's boiling. Toss our ramen in, nice and easy. 2 packs here. This is going to take 3 minutes to boil. These noodles are going to soften. Just use the back of our spatula. Just move these guys around. Okay, while we're talking about that, nice breasted chicken here, cleaned. Okay, we're going to go right in half like this. Okay, we're just going to make nice little slices. Just go like that. Nice on a 45. Okay, these will cook easily, and they're going to be really nice incorporated with our vegetables, all right? Chicken's cooking right there. So next, we got a half bunch of asparagus. We're just gonna cut this right in half, okay? And this is all gonna go in right now. Look at that. A little bit of onion petals. We'll cut a little bit more. So this is like a half an onion. Some nice little petal slices. Okay. All right, finish that off. We're just gonna add a little bit of mushroom. Cut these down too, okay? Like I said, we'll cook this all in the wok. And then just fluff these over. There it is. Perfect. All right, guys, it's been about 4 or 5 minutes. We're gonna kill the heat on the ramen, right? Take this guy, I'm gonna drain this. Woohoo. All right, crew, let's fire this up. Get this wok nice and hot, okay? We're gonna put a little bit of oil in. Guys, the key when we're doing this is you wanna season it on the top so the oil runs down, okay? So it really seasons the sides. Little quick wok tip there. So best case scenario, man, you gotta have all your mise en place, all your stuff cut, because cooking with a wok cooks fast. So that's why we're gonna put our chicken in first. Just like this, all right? And you just wanna spread it all around. Use all the surface area. Okay, we'll let that go. We'll open up our ramen packs, and they're gonna go in here with the chicken to season it, because next we'll add the veggies, and that'll add moisture so everything gets seasoned properly. All right, good right there. Fresh cracked black pepper. All right. Next, we're gonna add in our onion. So that white onion right in. Okay. Now we'll add veg, just like that. All right. All right, crew, it's been about 4 minutes. This chicken's cooking nicely. Look at the caramelization on this guy. Beautiful. Right. Now's the time we're gonna put our ramen in. Get that right in. We're gonna add our teriyaki sauce. So I just have regular sesame teriyaki. Guys, lower the heat because there's a lot of sugar in this, okay? Probably, let's say, a cup we'll add. All right? We got some fresh basil we're gonna fly in, and then I'm gonna finish with some lime right here, okay? Nice fresh squeeze. All right. All right, guys, 2 minutes. This is nice. You see it bubbling and caramelizing right to a boil. We reduced down that sauce. Let's plate this magic up. Kill our heat here. Bring it right over. Look at that. Nice and hot. Nice, great plate of ramen with some chicken, some veggies. Look at the asparagus. This is an eater, gang. Make this at home, guys. I want to see how you guys did on it. This looks like a rock star move. Dab right in. Perfect. Woo! Hot.